much. You have been sensational tonight. You've made this such an awesome experience for us. We would like to say a huge thank you to Lynn and Michelle for being such great sports. And we hope you've all had a fantastic time. Now please keep your applause going for our band, the Funk Foundation. I'd like to say again a huge thank you to our dear friend and Motown legend, Mr. Smokey Robinson. Without him, none of this would be possible. And not to leave it to last by any means, but to say that you guys are absolutely the reason that we are still here. You know, you come back time and time again to see us, and we truly appreciate that. Don't leave it another 1,000 before you come back. We've had a blast. I'm Toby. I'm Andrew. I'm Mike. I'm Phil. We are Human Nature. Right.